if you ever thought about creating your own course, own software, and your own product out there, and then you thought about, okay, now I have to have my own affiliate program, but then you get confused of what software or tracking platform should you use out there, be sure to watch this video. So guys, what's up? RJ here. Hope you're having an awesome day. So in this video, we're going to be talking about the top 3 affiliate tracking platforms out there, and the pros and cons of everyone out there, and which one I recommend. So in this video, we're going to be talking about the top 3. Number 1 is the FirstPromoter out there, second is PaykickStart, and third is the Tapfiliate. Okay, so we're going to be deep diving into each of the affiliate tracking platform and talk about the pros and cons in terms of how it works, in terms of the pricing, in terms of rest of the stuff out there as well. So be sure to subscribe to this channel, and let's dive into the screen. So yeah, the first one we're going to be talking about is FirstPromoter. So if you guys know, I use FirstPromoter personally is because I've tested the rest of the affiliate tracking platform out there as well. But this video is completely unbiased. I will talk about the pros and cons of each of the platform out there, depending on the pricing, how it works, and rest of the stuff out there as well. So in terms of FirstPromoter out there, like what I feel with when it comes to FirstPromoter out there is it's smooth. Okay, the integration is one of the thing out there. When we talk about con, the integration out there is one of the thing that is actually the hardest part when it comes to setting up FirstPromoter. Okay, if you're using something like ClickFunnels, if you don't know what ClickFunnels is, the link is in the description down below. Just check out what ClickFunnels is. If you're using some sort of funnel software out there like ClickFunnels, or if you're using WordPress or something like that, if you're integrating FirstPromoter out there, it's way hard, because if you're not have some sort of a technical background out there, because they provide you some sort of a scripts, some sort of scripts out there that you need to put up on your order form page in order to track, in order to do visitor tracking out there, which is not that much work, which might take like almost 15 minutes, but if you know the stuff. Okay, and that is what most people get scared of, and they get moved up, and they don't go into promoting, they don't get into set up FirstPromoter out there for getting it done. In terms of the interface and rest of the things out there, FirstPromoter is insane in terms of interface, in terms of tracking out there, the way it tracks. Not only that, depending upon the different price points out there, FirstPromoter provides so many features out there as well. So we'll talk about the pricing later, but let's go for the next one, which is PaykickStart. So when it comes to PaykickStart out there, PaykickStart is one of the most famous affiliate tracking platform out there, because it's not only the affiliate tracking platform, but also some sort of a payment integration gateway out there. So what I mean by that is, when it comes to PaykickStart out there, with PaykickStart, not only they provide you the affiliate tracking out there, but you can also use PaykickStart for the checkout processes as well, no matter whatever the platform you're using. So that is the initial difference what happens with FirstPromoter out there. FirstPromoter is specifically made for affiliate tracking platform, but not only for other things as well. But for PaykickStart, it is used for affiliate tracking, and also can be used for making the purchases out there and use as a checkout integration as well. Okay, that is one of the most important aspect when it comes to PaykickStart out there in comparison to FirstPromoter. Apart from that, they're not that much of a difference out there, since it's also affiliate tracking platform, apart from having in terms of pricing. And we're going to be deep dive into the pricing of all of the platforms out there, and of how it differs and rest of the stuff, what is it into it, because of the reason they're charging that much or whatnot. Let's go for the Tapfiliate. So like when we talk about Tapfiliate out there, Tapfiliate is also great software when it comes to setting it up for the affiliate programs out there. It provides so many features out there, like webhooks, the recurring lifetime commissions out there, the integrations, the coupon, the recruitment, and like so much more. Like it's not that much of a unique out there. The only problem with Tapfiliate is its interface is a little bit complicated when it comes to the rest of the two software, which is FirstPromoter and PaykickStart, because FirstPromoter is absolutely smooth and clean. Same goes for PaykickStart out there. It's also smooth and clean out there when it comes to user interface for the user to use it once it's already been set up. So when it comes to Tapfiliate, it's somewhat complicated even for the affiliate side, and even for the side of the admin user who are using it for their own purpose. So yeah, when it comes to pricing, let's talk about pricing and how everything works out from the starting plan and what's the enterprise or the next further plan is with all of these software. So the first thing when we talk about the first plan what FirstPromoter have is $49 a month. That is their basic plan is. And when we talk about the basic plan, the things that are included into the basic plan is you can provide up to $5,000 per month for affiliates, transaction fees out there. Not only that, you have the restriction of having 2 campaigns. So 2 campaigns mean that you can have 2 different products under the exact same domain. That is the thing that you can do for FirstPromoter out there. In the $49 per month plan, you can provide bulk PayPal payouts out there. So it means that if you have affiliates who don't have PayPal, they won't be able to have any other sort of a payment gateway or payout gateway out there that they can simply use, such as international bank transfers or Payoneer or something like that. It won't happen. Okay, so that is some sort of a thing out there that comes up when it comes to $49 a month out there. So that is the initial plan what come up with FirstPromoter. The further plan what happen is in $99 a month. So one of the thing that I haven't discussed right now was on $49 a month you are supposed to use the FirstPromoter own subdomain. Okay, so it's going to be, for example, if your product is course, so it's going to be course.firstpromoter.com if you are on the $49 per month. But if you are on the another level that is $99 a month and so forth, on $99 per month you have like 2 or 3 websites that you can simply use in FirstPromoter to set up your affiliate programs out there. Not only that, the affiliate commission is $15,000 per month that you can simply use to pay out to your affiliates out there, and also have multiple payment systems out there so that your affiliates can have multiple payout gateways, IBAN number, the ACH deposit and rest of the stuff. Even though that FirstPromoter don't allow to do the payouts apart from bulk payout of PayPal, but still you have at least options to have things accountable. Not only that, FirstPromoter also provide you then subdomain which looks like affiliates.yourcourse.com, which looks not only awesome but also you can use that in terms of SEO purposes as well. So that is also the definite part what is the initial difference is. And the other plans which are into FirstPromoter are just depending upon the pricing, not only the pricing but also the amount of the commission that you're providing to your affiliates out there. So that is what FirstPromoter pricing is all about. The second thing is the pricing of a PaykickStart. So when we talked about PaykickStart is not only the affiliate tracking platform, but it also have the payment integrations as well. It have 14 days trial like FirstPromoter had, but the starter plan is $99 a month, which somewhat in the initial start is expensive if you want to just start out. And in comparison to FirstPromoter had on the $99 per month plan had $15,000 payout per month for the affiliates out there, but in PaykickStart on $99 it's like $10,000 in monthly revenue, and also 0.9% monthly revenue tax out there as well, which can be deducted. But in FirstPromoter it was absolutely free. The rest of the thing are that you will get payment integration, subscriptions, coupons, and the exact same thing what happens with the rest of the stuff out there, which was included in FirstPromoter. The another highest end plan is $200 a month with PaykickStart, and with PaykickStart it provides $50,000 in monthly revenue and 0.7% of average revenue fees, which is, by the way, decreasing out as you move forward to the higher end plans out there. Including that, it's also providing affiliate management center and customer billing portal as well. So it's going to be a different portal depending upon on the higher end plan if you are, because if you're using PaykickStart as a payment integration, you can simply use that as well, and cancellation saver and so much more. So in terms of when we think about if you want to have that payment integration as well, which in most cases you simply don't need if you're using some sort of a landing page or softwares like ClickFunnels or a builder or something like that. If you're using something like that, you can simply just make some of your time out there and integrate other software like Tapfiliate or FirstPromoter and make it work, rather than using some other payment integrations and pay a lot more, and you don't have more opportunities to pay more to the affiliates out there, which is absolutely crazy. And they have different plans as well, like $300 a month and much more. So when we talk about Tapfiliate, in Tapfiliate the first plan is $69 a month, which is again in comparison to FirstPromoter it's a lot more, like almost like $20 a month extra. And it comes to PaykickStart, it's almost like $30 less. That the only difference is when we talk about the rest of the stuff out there is, first of all, the only thing that we are providing with rest of the stuff, that the charge that they are making is 45 cents. And not only that, the conversions and rest of the stuff out there is again the 70 cents on the conversions base, and you can have 1,000 affiliates out there. And not only that, in terms of 1,000 affiliates, they also within the exact same platform, they have some sort of a limitation of clicks, which is 200,000 clicks out there. And they clearly didn't mention the price and like how much we can pay out to the commissions to the affiliates out there, which is somewhat weird, because they're letting us know that there are 1,000 affiliates out there, but they're not letting us know that how much we can pay to our affiliates in a single month, which is again somewhat weird out there. So for the custom affiliate domain out there, for your custom domain, you need to upgrade to $149 a month to a pro plan, which in comparison to FirstPromoter, you can do it on $99 a month, and you are completely good to go. But on the pro plan in Tapfiliate, they're providing 5 custom domain, but in FirstPromoter, they're providing you almost like 3 domains and 3 websites to get it done. So that is somewhat a advantage and disadvantage type of thing if you want to move on to Tapfiliate out there. And then there are enterprise level as well. So yeah, this is it. This is the general comparison for FirstPromoter, PaykickStart, and Tapfiliate out there. Like, I personally use FirstPromoter since I love to use it, and I've used the rest of them as well in the past, and I still use FirstPromoter out there. So if you want to go and set up your FirstPromoter, and or want me to set your FirstPromoter out there, there's a link in the description down below. Just go and sign up for FirstPromoter out there, and once you paid for the plan, just hit me up on my Facebook profile or something like that. Hey man, I just paid for FirstPromoter's first month, and I will go and set your FirstPromoter up with you within like 15 minutes, since I know it. Okay, so I hope that makes sense, guys, and see you guys in the next video.